So you need to be connected with the bird in mind to know what they're saying. The bird is not like a monitoring spirit or a guide. So
Why are you
the
running?
bird is saying,
Oh,
he's here, he's here, he's here, he's here. So they are there to give you protection. And if there's anything that want to happen, they would always come to your rescue. So they are in the sky looking at you from above. Be connected with everything that is created so you can listen and understand what everyone is saying, including the
why are
birds
you
in the
running?
sky.
Oh,
The birds will continue to screech until you pay them attention. It doesn't matter that they have to come closer to you. Not from that they are screeching from the sky or anywhere. You just speak with your mind. What do you want? What do you want? Speak. Let me hear. And you hear whatever they want to say. Don't shut them out. Listen
why are
to
you
them.
running? Oh,
They are talking like a child. And you'll be small picking. Or small picking.
okay.
The meetings we attend, you don't enter car. It is that bird that will come and carry your soul to meeting. It is that bird that will come and carry your soul to meeting at night.
Why are
So
you running?
you don't need to
Oh,
know where the meeting is holding. Just have it at your mind. When that bird is screeching, it's calling you for meeting, say, okay, I'm coming. Will you come and pick me up tonight? So communicate with your mind. They will listen, they hear you. When it is time for meeting, you just notice that you'll be feeling drowsy or feeling dizzy. You can take a
why
nap.
are you running?
Before
Oh,
you know it, you are gone. And there may be 5 minutes nap or 10 minutes nap. You open your eyes, you are back. That's you're going to meeting, you have come back.
okay.
And as time goes on, you begin to recollect where you've been and what happens to